It's a great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to you on behalf of all the Faculty of Engineering.
Today we gather here to commemorate not only the culmination of another academic year, but also a significant milestone in the history of our faculty.
Today, I have to admit that I am most enthusiastic to go through the exhibition to witness for myself how the ingenuity, creativity, and innovation manifests itself in the physical projects delivered by upcoming engineers together with the academic community.